Hi guys, I'm Afton and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video is a simple recipe again. It's an appetizer. I'm going to show you guys how to make, what do you call this? It's basically, you get a toothpick, you put some cheese, sausage, pineapple, and cherry. That's basically it. And you put it on the toothpick, and you would make it for like parties, wedding, any event. People usually make it. You see, when I was small, I used to love going to birthday parties, because when I go to the birthday party, I always used to see this on the toothpick, and the first time I reached the party, I always used to rush to the table just to eat this pineapple sausage, what you could call this? Pineapple sausage cherry. I don't know what the hell you call it, but I know I love eating it at a party, right? So I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to do it, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, I upload videos 2 to 3 times per week, alright? And you guys can follow me on social media, Instagram and Facebook at Cooking with Afton, alright guys? And you guys, want to ask you guys to please go and subscribe to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below. And all my ingredients for this simple appetizer recipe, I will also leave in the description box down below, alright? And what else can I say? Let me just show you my ingredients. Enjoy this delicious simple appetizer. Enjoy. Hey guys, these are my ingredients for my appetizer. So over here I have some cheese that I cut up. Over here I have my pineapple, my sweet cherries. This is my sausage here, and I have some normal toothpick, and then I have this little design toothpick as well. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make this simple appetizer recipe. So here goes. So what I'm gonna do now, I have some water boiling. I'm gonna put my sausage in the water and turn off the stove. Leave the sausage in the water for about 5 minutes, and I'll be back and show you guys the next step. You're not boiling the sausage, you're just putting it in the hot water. Alright guys? Okay guys, so the sausage, I took it out of the hot water, and then I take a knife and I just cut them this size here. So I'm going to show you guys now how I put it onto the toothpicks. Let me see the best angle I can give you guys. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the best angle I could give you guys, so I can show you guys how I'm putting the sausage on the toothpick. Alright, the sausage, the cheese, the pineapple, and the cherry. So let me just show you guys. Alright, so here goes. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do, this is one of the toothpick thing here. I'm gonna put the sausage, then I'm gonna put the pineapple, then I'm gonna put the cheese, and then I'm gonna put the cherry. So here it goes guys, here it is. This is a nice appetizer for a birthday party, wedding, anything. So I'm gonna do the rest and let you guys see now. So let me show you guys another one. So this one here, I'm gonna put the cherry first, then I'm gonna put a piece of cheese, pineapple, and then you can put the sausage at the end. Anyhow you can put it, alright? So I'm gonna time lapse it and fast forward it and let you guys see. Hey guys, so my appetizer is all done. So here it is guys, here it is. Let me see if you guys can see good. It's sausage, pineapple, cherry, and cheese. yummy. This is a great appetizer for your party. So here it is, guys. You need to try it. I grew up eating this at parties. So here goes. Wow. Wow. This is my favorite appetizer, guys. My favorite. Oh my gosh. This brings me back to childhood memories when I was small and I used to be going to all these birthday parties just to eat this and stuffed egg. I think my next video I'm gonna do some stuffed egg as well. Oh my god. The cherry followed. Anyway, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this simple appetizer recipe, and hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my second channel, and you guys can check out my playlist. I will leave the link in the description box down below, and don't forget to watch my ads. Okay, guys, take care and have a blessed day. Mwah. Bye, guys.